before you pluck me. Hear my story. Hello, I'm your white hair. The moment you notice me in the mirror, your fingers rush toward me, ready to remove me, as if I don't belong. But I wasn't always like this. I used to be dark, strong, full of life and pigment. My color came from tiny, powerful cells inside your hair follicles called melanocytes. Think of them as microscopic artists, constantly painting me with pigment. They produce two main shades, deep brown or black, and warm red or yellow. The balance between these pigments decides your natural hair color. Deep inside the follicle, pigment stem cells keep recruiting fresh melanocytes, ensuring the color never fades. As long as they remain active, I stay dark, rich, and vibrant. But time changes everything. After around the age of 30, the likelihood of gray or white hair increases by roughly 10 to 20% every decade. Why? Because melanocytes naturally produce small amounts of hydrogen peroxide during metabolism. Normally, an enzyme called Catalase breaks it down into harmless water and oxygen. But as you age, Catalase levels slowly decline. Hydrogen peroxide begins to accumulate. It quietly damages the pigment-producing cells. Stem cells slow down. Melanin production weakens. Eventually, there isn't enough pigment left to color the hair shaft. That's when I turn gray and then white. Each follicle works independently. That's why some of us change earlier than others. And when I finally turn white, you often pull me out. But plucking me doesn't stop biology. It can injure the follicle. Repeated pulling may even cause permanent hair loss. So the real choice becomes gray hair or thinning hair. How quickly I lose color is largely written in your genetics. If your parents turned gray early, chances are you will too. This isn't sudden aging. This is biology at work. Stress can speed it up. High stress levels disturb melanocyte stem cells and may trigger early graying. In rare cases when stress reduces, some pigment can partially return, but only if stem cells still survive. Autoimmune conditions can mistakenly attack pigment cells. Nutritional deficiencies like low vitamin B12, copper, or iron may also play a role. Lifestyle matters. Chronic sleep deprivation, smoking, and excessive alcohol increase oxidative stress in your body. Pigment cells are especially sensitive to this damage, and once melanocyte stem cells are completely depleted, the color cannot return. Here's something fascinating. White hair often grows about 30% faster than pigmented hair. Its texture may feel coarser too, so if you want me to stay dark longer, care for the cells that protect my color. Manage stress, sleep deeply, avoid smoking, respect your body, because I'm not your enemy. I'm simply a reflection of time and how you choose to live within it. For more videos, subscribe our channel and join our YouTube family.